Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Mallow Melt Seed in Grow a Garden. So this seed can be obtained from the Campfire Seed Pack gacha. And to get these seed packs, you will need to submit fruits to the Burnaby during the Campfire event and collect the rewards. And once you have a Campfire Seed Pack, just simply open it and hope for good luck. And this Mallow Seed, this Mallow Seed will look like this. And this seed is a prismatic rarity seed, which means it's one of the rarest and most valuable rewards available in this pack. And since this drop is completely random, it's a good idea to save up multiple Campfire Seed Packs before opening them. And the more packs you have, the better your chance of getting these seeds. And after you finally get it, just plant it in your garden and let it go. Let it grow. For example, I want to plant it on here like this, and then just wait until it's grow. In here I can't show the fully grown plant yet because mine is still growing, but it should look something like this, and the fruit will look like this. And the good news is that Mallow Melt is a multi-harvest crop, so you can collect from it multiple times, and it also has a sale price of around 22,000 shekels, making it a valuable crop to own. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!